Hi, this is the Leopard 43 Cool Change located in Fort Lauderdale. This boat is a 4-cabin, 4-head layout. It originally started out its life as a charter boat with a moorings fleet. It's been privately owned since leaving the fleet. The owner is very motivated to sell now, and it's a very nicely equipped and well priced Leopard 43, and this boat includes air conditioning and generator. Leopard 43 has a hardtop. This is a very nice feature with a traveler attached to the top. Cool Change has a brand new max sails stack pack and a brand new mainsail. This mainsail has 0 time on it and is ready for your next adventure. Trampolines on Cool Change are in great shape. There's an electric anchor windlass there. Leopard 43 has nicely louvered forward windows with opening hatches for ventilation through the Salon. We've got windows with external covers added. These are new and in good shape. And there's also a windscreen that goes across the front here that attaches to the hardtop bimini in inclement weather. Large and spacious cockpit area with a fold-up leaf here on the table for dining. Individual cushions that go around in the salon that are bifold, so you can arrange the cushions however you like on the boat for your guests. The salon area has newer upholstery here that's possible for the table to go down and add a cushion here for extra sleeping space. You've got the cockpit cushions stored here, and a nice area to gather and either dine, have cocktails, or relax. Cool Change has a very nice galley. You've got a separate fridge and freezer here. The Corian counters have just been refinished. They show great. You've got 2 sinks here, a dish drying rack or a place to store your dishes when not in use, a microwave, a nice Force 10 2-burner stainless steel stove with oven, and plenty of counter space. Cool Change is equipped with a newer generator, 2200 hours on that. You also have 2 AC units for port and starboard on the boat, XM radio, VHF, stereo CD player, and then you easily access control panel with easy access to all of the wiring behind this through this panel. Cool Change has 4 cabins. This is the aft cabin. There's also a separate head and shower for these compartments, and each one of them has its own air conditioning unit in it to keep the boat cool, and that's controlled for each side. In the forward cabin in Cool Change, you have a nice thwartship berth with storage underneath that's accessible on both sides. There's a small single berth that can either be used for storage or for a small child or single person. And then you can see the 2 cushions there. That's for the settee if the settee goes down and you wanted to use that for additional sleeping.